Greetings. I'm going to walk you through how to manually transfer your information from your core shell in eCollege into your core shell, into the new core shell into Canvas. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go into your modules, or however you want to do this, but you're going to create a content item first. So what we'll do is we'll go over, I'm doing it into Quest 5, so I'm going to click on this, I'm going to say Add Content. Now at this moment I'm just doing a page, so this is just information that was a page in eCollege, and now I want it to be a page in Canvas. There's no assignment attached, there's no threaded discussion, it's just a straight page. So I'm going to just make a page, and I'm going to scroll down here, you can see that I want to make a new page. So I'm going to give it the name of Quest 5 Map. Okay, I can decide whether they're indented or not, and I can show you that. And I just say Add Item. So now I have this page, and if I click on this, you can see that this is a blank page. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say Edit this page. And now I'm ready to go. I have this blank sheet, which I can do whatever I want. Now I'm going to go into my eCompanion shell. I click on that, and I'm going to go into the map of my eCompanion shell, because I remember I created a map. And you can see this is what it is. So you can see what it looks like here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Author. And I have two ways to do this now. I can actually just go in here and I can say Select All and get everything and copy and paste that. But the easiest way, the best way, is actually go into the HTML view and go here and then say Select All and then copy that. Now I just go over here into this, and I'm going to say right here it says Switch Views. I'll say Switch Views, and I'm going to paste that into there. Now we'll click it back, and you're going to see what happened. Now, if you look at this, you should be able to see that this is pretty similar to the way it was in my eCompanion shell. There might be a couple of small editing things. I might just want to take away a few things, but it's not too bad. It comes across pretty well. There are a few formatting issues. Now, one thing you're going to notice is that my picture is in here. Okay, so my picture is in here because I actually, if you look at the Switch Views things, you can see that the picture is this right here, and it's actually a link to a Flickr image. So if it's an external link to a Flickr image, then your pictures are going to show up fine. However, if you try to do a embedded picture, one that's embedded in eCompanion, that's not going to work. So let me just save this really quick and show you what I mean by that. So now you're going to see I have information here, and you see I have a YouTube video. So once again, I'm going to go to the HTML. I'm going to say Select All. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to say Edit this page. I'm going to switch the views, and I'm going to put that in and switch it back. Now, a couple of things I wanted you to notice here. You'll notice that the YouTube video isn't there anymore. When I import the HTML, that's an embed code for eCollege, the embed code is not the same for Canvas. So what I would want to do here is I could go back. The easiest thing to do is to go back over here, and let me switch this back. I can go into here, and I can actually click on this Watch on YouTube. If I click on that, it's going to open it up. I'm going to say Share. I'm going to grab this link, so I'm just going to copy this link. And then I'm going to go back into my Canvas shell. And in here, I'm going to get rid of this box. I just click on it and delete it. And I'm going to say Paste. I'm going to paste that right there. What's going to happen is Canvas now quickly understands that this is actually a YouTube video. So I don't have to do anything else to do that. So I'm going to hit Save, and what you're going to see is my YouTube video will appear. And there it is. There's a little thumbnail. If I click on it, it'll play. If you do have images in eCollege that are embedded in the page, then what you're going to want to do is go to the page, do a right click, say Save Image As, and download it to your desktop. And then what you'll do is you'll go into eCollege, and you will, when you edit this page, you'll be able to add an image. And we just click on this and say Upload a new image, and you just do that, and you choose a file on your desktop and upload it. So that's how that's going to work. So the only things that can go wrong in this copy and paste are if you have embedded videos. That's one problem. If you have images, that's another problem. If you have embedded links, then that can be a problem because they may get lost in this process. You'll have to check them and make sure. And there can be some formatting issues, although those have been, as you can see, those are fairly minor. The main problem with embedded images is that when you copy and paste the HTML from eCollege to Canvas, when you first save it and look at it, the picture will be there. You will actually be able to see the picture that you embedded. The reason for this is when you are logged into eCollege, Canvas is able to follow the path into the eCollege shell to where the file is living, which is inside of the eCollege files. So when you close eCollege and close all of your browsers and then go back in, your image is going to be disappear because it will have lost its link to eCollege, and it will have fallen out of the cache of your browser that you're currently using. So unless you know that your images are linked to a web source like Flickr, then what you're going to want to do is make sure you do the download image to your desktop and then upload it into Canvas. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please be sure to let us know. Thanks. Bye-bye.